Welcome to my channel. Personal chef services in Jamaica. Items for dinner. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Link in description to book. Setting the table for dinner.
Oh my God. Yeah. Rich Lester.
Making Cajun baked potatoes. Cutting up the potatoes. Adding seasoning. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Adding coconut oil. Comment. Preparing ingredients for the lobsters. Checking to ensure all is well. Oh my God, lobsters well seasoned. Fresh from the sea. Lobsters seasoned and ready to fry. Flouring the lobsters before frying. Oh my God, frying time. Frying the lobsters. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Please subscribe. Satchoo carrots and butter. Best personal chef services. Fresh strawberries. Syrup vodka. Adding vodka to strawberries. Tasting time. Dinner is ready to serve. Fry lobsters in June plum escabeche sauce. Mimosas. Steam kalalu. Drop some comment. Baked potatoes ready.
God, happy birthday, you know. Oh my God, beautiful ladies. Oh my God. Yes, you're so welcome, okay? Oh my God. Yeah, man.
Thank y'all, man.
Hey, sit down.
Yeah, man. Please sit down, okay?
I gotta take pictures.
Oh, yeah, take it. What's your name?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is mimosa. Oh my God, some June plum mimosa, okay?
Chef Mark, but it's a nice to be with you. And Chef Mark don't want to get no.
Desserts.
Chef like Jay, she being the chef for life.